Hello, David here, and the project for today is to give you an update on the Cobra dash cam model CDR 855, B as in Bravo, T as in Tango. And I got this as a gift in 2017. I immediately took a road trip, had it going the whole time. I noticed that seemed to be working fine. And then when I got back from my road trip, someone turned into me on a freeway interchange. We were going at a pretty slow speed, so there wasn't much damage done. He just kind of nudged my bumper. I told my insurance agent I had dash cam coverage, and when I pulled out the memory chip to play it back on my laptop, there was nothing there. And I found out that the chip was corrupted. I had to put a new chip in there, and it was worked after that. But it did that whole road trip. Was a round trip of about 3,000 miles, and there was nothing, so that was a waste of time. Anyway, so I think you ought to be checking your footage on your dash cam, and I noticed lately over the last couple of years that when the power got shut off to the dash cam, the last file that was recorded didn't work. The last file was corrupted and it couldn't be reviewed. So what I had to do before I shut the engine off, I would push this button to turn off the camera and then shut the ignition off, and that way that last file that was recorded would be fine. So lately I noticed a new problem, and that the record wasn't working. I'm going to plug it into my laptop. When you plug into your laptop, it just doesn't turn on as a camera. It gives you options to view the files on your computer. So you could go connect to computer, and then you get a come on, don't make a liar out of me. There, connect to computer, and you get this icon which shows that you can read the files on your computer. So I'll cut the power. And I'll just turn it on. So another problem I noticed was that just recently, over the last week, it stopped recording. And this is the record button. Usually when I turn it on, this red dot will show up for a couple of seconds, then it would turn off, and then a red dot would show up in the upper left corner showing that it was recording. So I was able to snap a picture with a still by pushing this button, and you actually hear it. Hear that? That shows it took a still. So you push the record, nothing's happening. I tried momentarily pressing the button. I tried holding the button. It's not working. I called support at Cobra, and they told me to either replace the memory card. I told them that I already tested the memory card and I know it works, and I put a second memory card in there to prove that it was working. I noticed that I could push the emergency record, and that will record, and that's what I could do. But I asked the technician, if I do that and the card gets full, will it overwrite the video files that are on the card? And he said no, it won't overwrite, it'll just get full and stop recording. That's why they have emergency record, so that when there's an emergency, you push the button, it records, and it cannot be overwritten. It's in case you need it to show the police or your insurance agent or for the courts. So you could stop emergency recording with that. So if you're going to just run it on emergency record, you have to remember to delete them. If there's no instances of a an item you want to save for recording and play back, you can just delete them all, take the card out, delete them in your laptop, or you could just format the memory card from this unit. Let's see if I could start it again. So the technician told me the next thing to do was just to format the memory card. I formatted the memory card and record was working, but then now again it's not. And then I told him that I noticed every time I had a recording, the date and time stamper goes to default. It was never accurate. And he said that's the function of the internal battery or the capacitor that's internal. And he said that's probably why record isn't working. There it goes, it's recording now. Just happened to work. So I asked him, can I open it up and replace the battery? And he said, no, you can't open it, can't replace the battery. He said they can't even do it at the factory. They send it out to be done for some reason. Okay, stop. Okay, it stopped. See if I can get it to record again. So this, just to let you know, if you run into these options where you can't record, either record on emergency record, and then remember to clear your memory card, or format your memory disk. Let's see how to format. Go to General Settings, and then scroll down to Format SD card, then push this right button. It'll ask you if you want to format the SD card, all files will be deleted. Click yes. It's formatting. Okay, that was successful. I would cut the power, count to 10. Let's reapply some power. See if I could get it to record. The technician did offer me an upgrade. He said I could, he would give me a 15% discount on a newer model dash cam. I think he said they're selling them for $160. I could probably find it cheaper without a discount on Amazon or some other online source. It's probably what I'm going to do, but in the meantime, if I can't get this record button to operate, I'll just be recording on emergency record. And then just remember, you got to shut it off before you shut the engine off. There it goes, now it's recording. Just got to play with it. It's a pain in the butt because it's time consuming. That's it. That's all I have on my Cobra dashcam update for you guys and gals. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.